The services that I've had here have been anywhere from just general cleaning and x-rays to crowns and fillings. Pretty much, I've had a root canal here, pretty much anything that you deal with. I have had several crowns done throughout the years. Recently, I had one done with some of the newer technology. I was so very pleased with it. It was easy, it was quick, I had no pain whatsoever. I needed to have crowns on my teeth because when I was a young child, I had some very large cavities, and those teeth became weak over time, and therefore my bite was not quite what it needed to be. So having the crowns made eating and made just everyday comfort so much better. When I was a young child, I did have some anxiety about coming to the dentist. But when we decided to see Dr. Copeland, it was so easy and so great. I brought my children here too, and they absolutely loved coming to Dr. Copeland, and they still are patients of Dr. Copeland.